Japanese maples are some of the most beautiful and imposing trees in a landscape. I absolutely love them, and I have 6 at my own house. Japanese maples are not native to North America. They're native to Japan. And there they've developed many different cultivars. So they're all called acer palmatum. They all have this palmate leaf, the leaf of 5, but there are several different cultivars with growing habits. Some grow outward. This one is a more dwarf variety. This is your classic blood-good Japanese maple, has that brilliant red color. You see it in a lot of landscapes around here. So there's different varieties, uprights, some that grow more outward and dwarf, and then ones that cascade down. Japanese maples grow in zones 5 to 8, and they also prefer partial shade. There are many reasons I would use a Japanese maple in a landscape plan. In this application, I love that it's the perfect understory tree, that it really gives scale to this building. It's a transition between the building and the grounds. So that's definitely a good choice. And then the one we have over here is a threadleaf Japanese maple, and completely different characteristic of growing. It arches over and it has this gentle slope of its branches, and it's an amazing focal point. And where I like to place it is near a water feature or a pond or somewhere to reflect. It's beautiful. Japanese maples should be pruned in either the winter or summer. You don't want to prune it in the spring because all the new leaves are emerging and sap will be coming out, so it's safest to do winter or summer. Winter, you see the overall shape of the tree, so you can see the whole branching structure without the leaves. And then in the summertime, you have the opportunity to see the foliage and where that's going to shoot out and land. So this tree is gorgeous, but there's just the one piece that kind of gets in the way for me personally. So what I'm going to do is take your bypass pruners that cross over each other, and if you're nervous at first, just do a small snip. But I know where I want to go, so I'm going to go right back to where it meets the other 2 branches, and just at an angle, give it a little, and one clip can improve the overall shape. If you're looking to add character to your landscape, I would recommend a Japanese maple that fits your space.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.